Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful button tips ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, first is viewers. Buttons come in many colors, shapes, and sizes. They are perfect for making unique craft projects that add charm to your home. Let's discover some wonderful button shirts ideas together. One popular idea is button wallets. You can arrange colorful buttons into the shape of a tree, heart, butterfly, or a flower. Glue them into your cabinets and place the artwork in your living room, bedrooms, or hall. It is an easy way to create beautiful home decor. Another lovely project is making button flowers. Simply attach colorful button to walls and add green paper leaves. Place them in a small vase and you have flower that never fit. This handmade flower also make thoughtful gifts and weavers. So friends, button photo frame or another fun idea. Decorate a plain wooden frame with a bright button to create a cheerful party. Your favorite family photo will look even more special. And viewers, and friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Friends,